It's 2025 and money is flying all around, everywhere you go. Everyone you meet and every contact you make all have money. Young, old, male, female, all around you have money, and you are wondering, how can I be rich like them? Well, thank your stars because you have come to the right place. And today, in this video, we will be showing you how to make your first $0 to $10,000 in cryptocurrency with something called yapping. It's basically just telling the world about a crypto project and you get paid for that. Make sure you watch till the end. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and let's go. Make sure to follow us on X, where we share all the latest updates about crypto. The link is in the description. As a special bonus for our subscribers, we are offering up to $30,000 worth of free bonus for trading crypto on Bybit Exchange. This incredible opportunity allows you to enhance your trading experience and potentially boost your profits. Simply follow the link in the description, register a new account on Bybit, and claim your bonus. I don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. For some easy money, we will first talk about Infinex. Infinex raised a jaw-dropping $65.29 million from heavyweights like Solana Ventures and Abe Stanikulichov. That's serious backing for a project that's blending CeFi convenience with DeFi freedom. Their creator-run campaign lets you earn crates packed with patron NFTs, passes, and ecosystem rewards potentially tied to a retroactive token airdrop if they launch one. And here's the game changer, guys. Their Yapper Leaderboard with Kaito AI is allocating $6 million in a patrons to the top 500 Yappers across multiple seasons. That's right, create content, educate the masses, and get paid. $6 million for 500 Yappers is a big opportunity. Yapping isn't just tweeting memes. It's about posting high-quality content about Infinex on X. Think of threads, videos, or infographics that hype their wallet, switch trading, or staking features. The more engagement, the higher you climb the leaderboard, and the fatter your airdrop allocation. So the ball is in your court. Based on similar projects, expect 10 to 20% of tokens for airdrops and community, 20 to 30% for team and investors, and the rest for treasury. But this is just a guess until Infinex spills the tea. Look at past airdrops, guys. Arbitrum's ARB hit $1.50, netting early users $5,000 to $10,000 for little work. Infinex could follow suit if the market stays hot. Now, let's talk about how you can make money on dYdX. dYdX is a powerhouse in decentralized finance, or DeFi, built for perpetual futures trading. It's a platform where you can trade crypto with leverage, no middleman, and full control over your funds. dYdX is dishing out $150,000 in dYdX tokens to the top 100 Yappers over 3 months. That's $50,000 per month split among the best content creators who spread the word about dYdX. Thanks to platforms like Kaito AI, projects like dYdX are rewarding users who create engaging educational content about their platform. But wait, there's more. dYdX dropped the Surge program in April 2025, a high-stakes rewards battleground with up to $2 million in dYdX up for grabs monthly. This isn't just for Yappers, it's for traders too. Trade smart, stay consistent, and farm points to climb the Surge leaderboard. The more you trade, the bigger your share of the $20 million prize pool across 9 seasons. This is more like a 2-in-1 stuff. dYdX announced dYdX buyback with 140,000 dYdX purchased via Binance to boost token value and reward holders. The community voted on Prop 244 to adjust the block rate limit, boosting platform efficiency and scalability. A favorable vote could pump dYdX prices, what we love to hear. Join the Yapper leaderboard by creating engaging X posts about dYdX. Use DappRadar to track airdrop eligibility and claim tokens safely. Aim for the top 100 to grab your share of the $50,000 monthly pool and make easy money. Will you start yapping now? Let us know. Up next, we have Multiplifi. Multiplifi is a cross-chain secure yield farming platform that's democratizing DeFi. They let you earn yield on native and real-world tokenized assets like USDT, USDC, BTC, ETH, and even real-world assets. Why is this exciting? Multiplifi's mission is to make DeFi accessible, secure, and profitable for everyone, not just the whales and their airdrop strategy. It's a game changer. Let's talk about that next. Multiplifi tracks your mindshare, how much you're influencing the Web3 space with your content. Post about Multiplifi, share their vision, and you climb the leaderboard. Plus, there's potential for token airdrops down the line when their mainnet fully launches. This is your chance to earn while building your crypto influence. In collaboration with Kaito AI, flip the script with their Yapper leaderboard. Instead of grinding, you create content to educate and hype up the Multiplifi community. Ready to start yapping and stacking? Here's your playbook to make money with Multiplifi in 2025. Join the platform, engage with the Monad testnet, create killer content, climb the leaderboard, and claim your rewards. A snapshot of the Yapper leaderboard was taken on March 22nd. Identifying the top 50 Yappers for the $10,000 USDC prize pool, winners were asked to DM the team to claim their rewards. Multiplifi's TVL hit near 100 million, a massive milestone. They shared a guide for their airdrop, emphasizing how easy it is to join for free and start earning. Their airdrop allocation is the real star. They're dishing out $10,000 USDC monthly to the top 50 Yappers. Let us know what you think about this in the comments. The fourth project to engage for some dollars is OpenLedgerHQ. OpenLedgerHQ is a cutting-edge Web3 project building a decentralized data ledger for the AI era. It is more of a blockchain-powered platform that ensures data privacy, security, and accessibility for AI-driven applications. Backed by heavyweights like Hashkey Capital, Borderless Capital, and Polychain, they've raised $8 million to create a trustless data ecosystem. OpenLedgerHQ, in collaboration with Kaito AI, has reshaped airdrops with their Yapper leaderboard. They're allocating 2 million OPN tokens to the top 200 Yappers over a 6-month period ending in 2025. Here's how it works, guys. Join the Yapper arena, create content, engage the community. Track your rank and check your position on the Kaito AI leaderboard because the top 20 Yappers share bigger prize pools, like $4,000 in weekly contests. Like I said earlier, the top 200 Yappers will split 2 million OPN tokens, with higher ranks earning bigger allocations, and if OPN hits $1, a conservative estimate based on similar projects. That's potentially thousands of dollars for top performers, and you could be one of them. Week 4 snapshot confirmed winners with week 3 rewards and processing. OpenLedger emphasized consistent yapping to climb ranks. Drop a like if you haven't, and smash that subscribe button before we move to the next one. Finally, we have the Sei Network. Sei Network is the first sector-specific Layer 1 blockchain, custom-built for high-frequency trading and DeFi. The SEI token powers everything, paying gas fees, staking for security, voting on governance, and fueling DeFi apps. With an initial circulating supply of 1.8 billion SEI, it's a hot commodity, and their airdrop strategy is making waves. Sei Network has already dropped 3% of its total supply, that's 300 million SEI, in their Season 1 airdrop for testnet validators and participants. But the real game changer in 2025? The See More campaign and their yapping leaderboard powered by Kaito AI. No more tedious testnet tasks. It's all about creating content and spreading the word. Sei's allocating 26,250 USDC every month to the top 50 yappers on their 30-day leaderboard, running for 3 months. That's over $78,000 in total rewards. To qualify, you need to create high-quality content about CEI, think tweets, videos, or blog posts, and drive engagement. The more likes, retweets, and buzz your content gets, the higher you climb. Sei Network could be your 2025 crypto goldmine. From yapping your way to USDC rewards to farming airdrops and riding price surges, there's never been a better time to dive in. Start creating, engaging, and building with Sei. Your wallet will thank you. We hope you found this video helpful as a money-making tip in crypto. Let us know the project you would be yapping in the comments. Drop a like, and make sure to share with others. Remember, this video is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any crypto altcoin. Smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow us on X for the latest crypto news. And to claim your exclusive Bybit bonus, the links are in the description. Catch you guys in the next one.